In last week's video, I upgraded a pre-built Office HP ProDesk 600 to a gaming PC. Part of the improvements was the installation of a NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti graphics card, a compact and power-efficient GPU from NVIDIA's Pascal architecture, which was a significant leap in performance and power efficiency compared to the previous generation. I really liked the card, and because of that, I decided to make another video to test it with more games. GTX 1050 Ti was generally well received in the market when it was released in October 2016. It occupied the mid-range segment of the GPU market and was targeted at budget-conscious gamers and users looking for a capable graphics card for 1080p gaming and multimedia tasks. The GTX 1050 Ti filled a gap in NVIDIA's lineup between integrated graphics and higher-end GPUs like the GTX 1060. It competed against AMD's RX 460, RX 470, and RX 560 in the mid-range market. 1050 was praised for its performance-to-price ratio. It offered decent gaming performance at 1080p resolution and medium to high settings in many modern games. This made it an attractive choice for gamers on a budget. It was particularly well suited for esports titles and older games, where it could deliver smooth frame rates without breaking the bank. The card's power efficiency was appreciated as it didn't require additional power connectors in many cases. This made it easier to install in a wider range of systems, including pre-built computers with lower power PSUs. But how is performance towards the end of 2023? Let's find out. The card in this video is from HP. It's an OEM version or original equipment manufacturer. This type of cards are sold directly to computer manufacturers or system integrators, rather than being sold directly to consumers. I found this card on eBay a few months ago. I didn't know that HP had OEM variant of the 1050 Ti. It is probably from a Pavilion gaming series of desktop PCs. I find it strange that the color of the printed circuit board is red. NVIDIA's main color is green. HP gaming branded products also bet on green. And most importantly, red is a color that is associated with the main competitor, AMD Radeon. And more importantly, this card is in a PC case and no one can see it. I don't know. Let's move on. This GTX 1050 Ti is with stock specs. There is no overclock, which is no surprise. It is built on the 14nm process and based on the GP107 graphics processor. It features 768 shading units, 48 texture mapping units, and 32 ROPs. NVIDIA has paired 4GB GDDR5 memory with the GTX 1050 Ti, which are connected using a 128-bit memory interface. The GPU is operating at a frequency of 1291 MHz, which can be boosted up to 1392 MHz. Memory is running at 1752 MHz, or 7 GB per second effective. The NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti does not require any additional power connector. Its power draw is rated at 75 watts maximum. Let's play some games now. The test system consists of Kaby Lake Intel Core i5-7500, 16 GB of DDR4 memory in dual channel, SSD with the software and HDD with the games. All the footage is captured via a capture card and 1080p display. The esports titles are usually with high texture presets, while newer titles like Halo, Far Cry 6 and Cyberpunk are with low presets. Sometimes, such as in PUBG, the CPU is the bottleneck of the system. Until the end of the video, you can see gameplay from different games. Video chapters break up the video into sections, each with an individual preview, so you can easily rewatch different parts of the video. After the gameplay are the benchmark results from Forza Horizon 5, Cyberpunk, Tomb Raider, and Far Cry 6.
I'm gonna be using your car. Oh! You lucky, buddy. Come on, asshole. So, you enjoying the party? All right, let's do this thing. Get out of
in a lifeline package. Gotta cheat myself. Heavy ammo here.
I don't care how. Then find them. I need those flowers. That's...